Wait. SpongeBob, please. SpongeBob. Oh, I don't have $5. Let me get something. Wait. Mommy, can I get something that's something for $4? Wait. Mommy. Just $3. I mean, wait. Just give me. This. Wait. Hold on. I don't have 5. I only have 4 on me. Just give me the comb. I don't have 5. I need the. Oh. Here. 1. Oh. Wait. Okay. Here. Oh, thank you. Bye, Mr. Mose. Got that.